Antyodaya. The word comes with a promise to uplift the weaker sections of society. And taking the agenda of upliftment ahead, the Government of India initiated the Deen Dayal Upadhya Antyodaya Yojna in 2014. This scheme is a joint effort by the Ministry of Rural Development and the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. It is implemented to galvanize the wheel by focusing on the urban youth of this country. Urban poverty is on the rise in India, and the unskilled workforce and joblessness are the main culprits behind it. Every year, 12 million Indians join the workforce, but out of them, only 10% are skilled. To curtail this alarming situation, 3 key areas have been identified under this scheme. 1. Skill development. 2. Entrepreneurship development. And 3. Addressing the concern of the homeless youth. The scheme will create a launchpad for the urban youth in order to make them self-reliant and capable of earning meaningful livelihoods. The scheme has categorically picked those who are vulnerable and deprived, like rag pickers, street vendors, slum dwellers, homeless and the unemployed. Aiming to train 50 lakh people in urban areas annually, the scheme has been extended across 441 cities and towns, which means almost the entire urban population of the country is at its epicenter. Key focus here is on imparting market-oriented skills with a special expenditure of Rs 15,000 to 18,000 to be spent on each candidate. Further assistance of Rs 10,000 to Rs 50,000 was given for the formation of self-help groups for social mobilization and institutional development. To empower the Make in India vision of the Prime Minister, a loan of up to Rs 10 lakh will be given to budding entrepreneurs on a subsidized interest rate of 5% to 7%. Special shelters with all the basic amenities are made for the urban homeless, where a safe and secure living environment is on the agenda. And lastly, the development of vendor markets through setting up of infrastructure and special projects for candidates. The scheme has shown remarkable progress in just a few years. From 2014 to 16, skills have been imparted to 4.54 lakh urban poor. Out of these, 22% are now employed. An amount of 5.51 billion was lent to 73,746 beneficiaries for setting up individual micro-enterprises. And to keep a check, the ministry has developed an online web-based management information system for monitoring real-time and regular progress. It has been well said that all of us do not have equal talents, yet all of us have equal opportunities to develop our talent. And with the Deen Dayal Upadhya Antyodaya Yojna, it seems that all the urban youth in India have finally got that opportunity for them to fulfill their goals and give them a voice.